Ever feel like you just need a quiet place to breathe? Somewhere peaceful, away from all the noise? Imagine stepping into your own little garden corner, where time slows down and everything feels calm again. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your space for peaceful and inspiring garden ideas. Today we're creating a gentle moments small garden design for 2025. Made just for those times when you simply want to relax. The secret to a relaxing garden is simplicity. Start by keeping the layout open and uncluttered. Choose soft shapes, curved paths, rounded planters, and natural flow. Nothing harsh or too busy. Go for plants that calm the senses. Mix soft greens with gentle pastels. Lavender, jasmine, and peace lilies work beautifully. Their light scent and soft color palette instantly relax your mind. Add a few ornamental grasses to bring that gentle swaying motion with the breeze. It feels like nature's slow rhythm guiding your thoughts. For decor, choose natural materials: wood, stone, and clay. A small bench, bamboo chair, or even a floor cushion can turn your garden corner into a personal retreat. Lighting plays a huge role too. Use soft, warm lights instead of bright ones. String lights, lanterns, or tiny solar lamps create that dreamy glow when the sun goes down. And if you can, add a small water bowl or fountain. The sound of trickling water completes the peaceful vibe. So next time life feels heavy, you'll have a quiet space waiting for you. Your own little sanctuary of gentle moments. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more calm and creative small garden design ideas.